calcium cyanamide and reaction with H2O, it will form ammonia and CaCO3. Here it should be NH3. And the ammonia formed here, it cannot be dried by using either concentrated H2SO4 or by using P4O10 or by using anhydrous CaCl2, because these will react with the ammonia. These reagents will react with ammonia. How they will react with ammonia? For example, first one, anhydrous CaCl2. Anhydrous CaCl2, it forms a complex with ammonia. CaCl2 plus 8NH3 gives rise to CaCl2 dot 8NH3. It will form the complex. And P4O10 or P2O5, phosphorus pentoxide. On reaction with first on reaction with water, it will form H3PO4 orthophosphoric acid, which on reaction with ammonia plus H3PO4, it will form ammonium phosphate, NH4 thrice PO4. Next, concentrated H2SO4 also will react with ammonia to form ammonium sulfate. NH3 plus concentrated H2SO4 will form ammonium sulfate. So because of this reason, either anhydrous CaCl2 or P4O10 or P2O5 and concentrated H2SO4 cannot be used for drying ammonia, to dry ammonia, but we can use quicklime. Quicklime can be used to dry the ammonia. It reacts with that moisture present in ammonia to form calcium hydroxide to dry the ammonia. Okay, so here calcium cyanamide on hydrolysis, it is forming on reaction with water, it is forming ammonia CaCO3. This ammonia formed can be dried by using CaO, quicklime. It cannot be dried by using concentrated H2SO4 or P4O10 or by using anhydrous CaCl2, because these will react with ammonia.